Welcome to the latest thing from Mammoth Overland. We're excited to see what else Mammoth Overland has for the future. In fact, we talked to them a little bit off camera at the shop yesterday. Well, they started to say something. They go, ah! We'll go, wait, what was that? Yeah. And they said, all I can say is the future of Mammoth Overland is very bright. I was like, interesting. Welcome to the Texas Truck Channel. I'm Craig, and we've got something special, something all new from Mammoth Overland. They brought you the HV, the LE, and this cool thing, the Mammoth Overland SKL. This is their well, not rooftop tent. We asked the engineers there what that was about, and they said, no, it's a camping module. But you'll notice what we have here, Brian, made in the USA. We can confirm that. We've actually seen them be assembled in front of our own eyeballs, and yeah, they got about 20 people there building it. They're from an aviation company, is their history, Vashon Aviation. They build planes.
We inventory the parts when they're ready to go and be installed on the trailer. The technicians really just have to go, cleco these in place, which is an aircraft manufacturing technique, and then rivet them in place. So assembly of the trailers goes together really quickly because of the amount of effort we've put into the CNC equipment here.
Exactly. So everything's riveted, Brian. It's all aluminum. This is how these sheets come in to their factory, and they rivet them. And so this thing is gonna be complete. This is a hard-sided camping module. That's why it's not called a tent. Here's the spring-assisted, or the shock-assisted strut to get it up. We also have lights. There's a battery inside on board this thing, and so we have lights for out exterior, so you can do cooking or whatever you're doing out here. And then you can put your ladder on this side or that side, depending on where you want to mount it. There's some options there. We're going to mount it here because of the way we've got this set up right now. This thing is not as heavy as it looks. It looks pretty big that it would be really heavy. It's only 300 pounds. That is not bad at all for what we're getting here. And so we're gonna cut here real quick and deploy it, the camping module, so we can get inside and show you what makes this thing so special.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Man, let me tell you something. This episode is sponsored by OnX Off Road, and we are out here in beautiful Washington State on a piece of property that we know has dispersed camping, and we are safe to be here without getting in trouble like we might get in trouble in Texas. It's awesome. It gives you cell phone coverage. We know where we can go and have coverage or not. We can get weather on it, and we can check for wildfires as well, which are nearby, and we've used it on this trip to keep us out of trouble.
All right, if you'd like to experience the same advantages we use to get to this spot in your neck of the woods, use this QR code here to get 20% off of your membership. Now, back to the episode. All right, we've got the SKL camping module deployed. This is actually, this is so new, Brian. It was just revealed at the latest Overland Expo. It is public knowledge now.
Yes.
But it's not even on their website yet.
Right.
It may be on the coming soon side, but you can't order this just yet because they're still working out a few kinks. This particular unit is a prototype.
Yes, the only one.
This is the only one that exists right now,
right,
yes.
Right.
So follow me up here, Brian. Let's get up here and show the people. The reason this is so cool is this is all hard-sided. That's what makes this thing so unique and why they call it a camping module.
It's not a tent at all.
This is not a tent. This is hard-sided. So if you're in some, look, we have a soft shell tent, and we've used a lot on some other videos you may have seen. And it gets windy and it buffets and it's all over the place. You do stay out of the rain and you're off the ground, but wind affects it. Wind doesn't affect this near as much, nor does the rain. So
and it's hard to heat those too. So even with a diesel heater, you're losing so much energy from that.
Exactly. So again, we have aluminum all throughout this thing. This thing is properly sealed up. It is dry as a bone in here on this mat. But here's our battery control. We turn our battery on. We've got our fuses, and then we got charging. And then we can power and toggle lights with that thing.
Yeah, so there's roof lights right there.
And then we also have a powered fan. How cool is that?
Really cool.
How many rooftop tents have a fan? Brian, none of them do.
Yeah.
That's the answer there. Look, the other cool thing though is you get these windows just like you do in the other products that Mammoth makes. I like that they do that everywhere. And look, Brian, there's just plenty of room in here. I mean, this is, I'm 5'9", I've got plenty of headspace. You can fit in here as well.
Yeah, no question.
This is really nice. These doors are big and massive if you do want to open them. Again, this is a prototype, so there's not a screen here right now, which is why I didn't sleep in this last night, because there's a lot of bugs, but the final version will have a screen here.
Right.
So you can open these, or you can close these, Brian, because maybe it's really cold and that's a good lash. Another part that they machined in-house.
Aviation grade.
Aviation grade. That's the theme of this.
We build almost everything in-house, and we do this both for our aircraft and for our trailers. This is taking the flat patterns that the Punch built and then turning them into three-dimensional parts like this.
And I love that. So let's latch this one down too. Now we're protected. We have a nice cover if we want to get out, and so the rain, or we can leave it open and it's raining and you're not going to get wet.
Just like that.
All right, so just like that, it's closed and we're completely sealed in here. You can actually kind of hear my voice echoing off the walls in here because it's hard-sided, not soft-sided. And we have weather seals around each little corner, so we don't have to worry about rain coming in, but we still get some light because we have the skylights. And if it gets too hot, we can exhaust it, or if somebody, rips one off.
Okay, all right.
When it happens.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna fold this thing up and then wrap it up with our final thoughts.
Look at this thing, it's practically falling apart.
Don't let anybody tell you that you can put up these tents in 3 minutes flat, 2 minutes. I dude's been out there for like 15 minutes climbing all over it like Spider-Man.
You're gonna have to find time to open it up and air it out, because if not, it's gonna get disgusting, it's gonna smell weird, so.
Now this particular failure has happened to me on 2 or 3 occasions now.
All right, Brian, and just like that, even in the prototype, we got it down actually pretty quick. I'm not gonna, that's pretty good. Also, we have roof bars up here.
Sure.
We could put more gear up here if we wanted to, and you could get this in any. Also, should have mentioned, anything Mammoth makes, you can get any color, wrap, whatever design you want.
Yeah.
They're gonna take care of you. Love that a lot. But this is I love that you can put this thing on top of your other Mammoth products if you wanted to, and then you could bring everybody. You could have a family reunion off-road in your rig if you wanted to.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm gonna latch this down and then give you my final thoughts and what we think about this thing. And I like how sturdy this rack is. Look, I've been on some very non-sturdy ladders. This is really good and mounts well. And you can position it the way you want.
This is not plastic. This is billet.
Right.
It's crazy.
Everything's over-engineered with
Right.
these Mammoth things. I love it. And again, I have to keep saying it's a prototype because they're in the middle of working on not only this thing being hard-sided, camping module, rain-free, wind-proof, all those things. Thermal, battery, fan. Brian, 30-second deployment.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what a hard-sided 30-second deployment. Okay, yeah, you can get a go-fast camper, just boom, opens, that's great. But it's not hard-sided. This is hard-sided, 30-second deployment. That's amazing.
Yeah, oh, can I jump in? Side note, those go-fast campers go boom, but they don't come down boom. You gotta tuck the sides in, get the soft-sided and all that kind of stuff.
This comes down just as fast because you don't have to fold everything in.
Right.
That is kind of the genius of it, but it's still open and airy. So stay tuned for whatever else Mammoth Overland's got coming our way. I'm sure we'll let you know as soon as we know. And with that, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.